guys, in case you haven't noticed, I'm out in the boat today. It's Wednesday, I think it is. Basically 2 days after we got tropical storm Colin or whatever. Basically just a bunch of rain, and not terrible amount, probably like 4 inches or something like that in my area anyway. So I've been wanting to do something for a while, and since we got a bunch of rain, it's a perfect time to do it. Basically, there's a few spots farther up creeks and stuff like that that have pinch points or bridges or culverts where a lot of this rainwater pushes out, and a lot of times it pushes out a lot of bait fish, bugs, crayfish, whatever else, and a lot of fish stage there. And I haven't fished there by boat during, a prime time like this, so it's high tide right now. It just started going out, I believe, and so I'm gonna go up some upper reaches, some creeks, and throw some artificial little DOA paddle tails like this, because there's a lot of mullet and minnows and stuff like that right now about that size. So I'm gonna try that. I got a bunch of different colors I'm gonna try, and then if that doesn't work, I'll go to just a plain circle hook, and I caught some little live mullet, and I'll try those and see what happens. Might catch some bass. I don't know what else. I mean, I dare to see it, maybe a snook, but that's very rare because we don't have a lot of them around here. But I'm gonna go and try it, see what happens. Hopefully I get some on film. Missed that one, guys, but there you go. Little bass. Another one. Woo. Bass. Bass. Little baby bass. Oh no. Pretty rig. Hooks are sharp. Here it is. Better one. Whew. switched it up, got overcast, went from the lighter color I had, started throwing a morning glory, and that's what that one hit. So maybe I'm on to a different pattern now.